Hi, I'm excited to share this first look of VerbaGPT with you today. We're going to dive straight in, and I hope to show you how easy it is for anyone in an organization to be able to utilize the data that they have access to, and do it in a way where not a single row of your tabular data is transmitted outside your walls. So data privacy is definitely one of the key design elements of the solution. So the first thing we do is we select a data source, a nice, clean, simple interface here. We select CSV, simple drag and drop. So I'm going to drag my file over here, and it helpfully shows me the first few rows of the data. And this is a data set called abalones, which is a toy data set in data science. We have this target variable called rings. Abalone is kind of like a mollusk, a sea animal, and they have rings on the shells which are proxy for their age. And the idea is that we can use the features of the abalone like shell weight, height, diameter to predict the number of rings, so to predict the age of the abalone. Okay, so that's our data set. So we're going to head on over to talk. And the idea is that we can ask a simple question about our data in plain English and hopefully get a helpful response. So I'm interested to see how my target variable is distributed. So let's see. So I want to get some information about that. I'm going to ask, give me a histogram for rings. Color it purple. Okay, so I'm going to ask that question, and it takes a while to process because it's using GPT-4, which is the most powerful large language model LLM in the world today. And there we go, it's processed it, and it's given us a nicely formatted response here. And the part of the response that's code is isolated in this window, so that's super helpful. And we can now hit execute. And it gives me a message that check out the window below for the output, and then check out the window, and there we go. Exactly what I asked for, the histogram of rings, and it wrote the code for me. And not only that, I can actually edit this code. And I can see, even if I don't know coding, this is a pretty high level language, so we can kind of see that, oh, the title is here, and I want to adjust the title. So I want to say distribution of rings, okay? Distribution of rings. And I can hit execute again, and now I have my new title, and I can save my file from here as well. So I can just kind of click on save, and it'll save my image. So it's not only is it able to run the code, we can edit it right in this app. So this is just a first look of VerbaGPT, the first video we're making. We're going to be making a few more to really show you the various ways that you can use VerbaGPT. So if you're interested in this use of LLM technology, definitely subscribe to our channel here on YouTube, but also head on over to VerbaGPT.com where there's a lot more information. And if you're part of an organization and you can see yourself this being useful to you in your day-to-day work, definitely get in touch with us. We want to hear from you. We want to hear from you how you can use this technology, because we're looking for beta users of our app. So definitely get in touch with us. So we look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for watching.